じゃあ俺ってば。
ああ、俺はお前の
父ちゃん。
Want to upgrade your favorite anime footage to stunning 4K? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Let's dive in. First, download and install AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. You'll find the download link in the description below. Once installed, launch the software and import your anime footage. On the right side, you'll see the original resolution of your video. Next, go to Preset and select Upscale to 4K. Then you can see the output resolution and FPS displayed. Now find the AI enhancement model. In most cases, Ultra model gives you the best results with clearer, sharper visuals. If you're working with real people in the video, like live action or interviews, face enhancement feature can make faces look significantly sharper and more natural. Now, you can fine-tune the video settings, adjust contrast, saturation, brightness, depending on your preferences and the footage. Once everything looks good, click Preview to check the before and after comparison.
じゃあ俺ってば。
ああ、俺はお前の
父ちゃん。
If you're happy with the result, go ahead and export the video. And that's it! You now have a crisp 4K version of your anime footage ready to go.
Naruto!
なんで息子の俺にキュービなんか封印したんだよ。おかげで俺ってばすげえ大変で暁から狙われてそいつらと戦ってそれですげえ寂しくて我慢して。
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI editing tutorials. Thanks for watching!